As the sun rises over the vast countryside, rows of golden corn sway gently in the morning breeze. This is where the journey begins, deep in the soil, where tiny seeds will grow into one of the most important crops on Earth, corn. Before planting begins, the land must be prepared. Modern tractors equipped with GPS systems plow and level the ground, ensuring even soil texture for maximum yield. Sensors analyze soil nutrients, guiding farmers to apply precise amounts of fertilizer. Next comes planting. Automatic seeders place each corn kernel at the perfect depth and spacing. Each seed carries potential, a future ear of corn that will feed both people and industries. In just a few weeks, tiny green shoots will break through the soil. As the young plants grow, they need care. Automated irrigation systems deliver water precisely where it's needed. Drones monitor growth patterns, checking for pests or nutrient imbalances. With smart farming technology, farmers can manage hundreds of acres with incredible accuracy. When the plants reach full height, pollination begins. Tiny pollen grains fall from tassels to silk threads, fertilizing each kernel inside the cob. Over the coming weeks, the cobs swell with starchy golden corn, ready for harvest. Once the corn reaches maturity, it's time to harvest. Massive combine harvesters sweep through the fields, cutting stalks, separating cobs, and removing kernels in one seamless motion. Each machine can harvest acres in just an hour, collecting tons of corn ready for processing. After harvesting, corn is transported to large silos or processing plants. Here, the next chapter begins, transforming raw grain into countless products that power our kitchens, industries, and even our vehicles. At the factory, the corn undergoes a thorough cleaning process. Dust, husks, and debris are removed using air jets and vibrating screens. Only the best uniform kernels continue to the next stage. Moisture control is key. Industrial dryers blow warm air through the kernels, reducing their moisture content to ensure safe long-term storage. From here, the corn can be processed into various forms, each with a unique purpose. In the milling section, machines grind corn into different textures. Fine corn flour for baking, coarse grits for cereals, and even cornstarch for industrial use. Automated sifters separate the flour into precise grades for packaging or further processing. From the germ of the corn kernel, factories extract valuable corn oil. Hydraulic presses and solvent extraction units separate the oil, which is then refined, filtered, and bottled, ready for cooking or industrial use. In another section, enzymes break down cornstarch into glucose, the foundation of corn syrup. Through controlled heating and filtration, this syrup becomes a sweetener used in countless foods and beverages around the world. Some of the corn goes to snack production lines. Here, high-speed extruders puff the grains into light, crispy shapes. Golden corn snacks tumble onto conveyors, coated with cheese, salt, or spices before being sealed into colorful packets. Every batch undergoes strict quality checks. Robotic systems weigh, seal, and label each package with precision. Cameras and sensors ensure that only perfect products reach the consumer. From farms to factories, and factories to shelves, corn travels across continents. It fuels economies, feeds livestock, sweetens foods, and even helps create biodegradable plastics and biofuels. From a single seed in fertile soil to countless products in our daily lives, this is the power of innovation, machinery, and nature working in harmony. This is the story of corn, built by machines.